My name is Bill Hedrick. I'm an Assistant City Prosecutor, and I'm the Chief of Staff for City Attorney Richard C. Pfeiffer, Jr. There are currently thousands of outstanding warrants in Franklin County. This program today, which is being sponsored by the Columbus City Attorney's Office, is our attempt to address this situation. There are a variety of ways in which a person can have an arrest warrant. 1, a warrant is issued by the police and the person has not been arrested. 2, the person is given a court date and they have failed to come to court. 3, they've had a court date but they've stopped coming to court. 4, they've already been found guilty and they've failed to either pay their fines and court costs or they have failed to report to jail. A 5th way in which a person can have an arrest warrant is if they're on probation and they're facing a probation revocation for not following the conditions of their probation. The warrants highlighted in this program today are misdemeanor warrants. Misdemeanors are the crimes that are handled by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. The Columbus City Attorney's Office does not handle felony cases. If you're an individual with outstanding warrants, how can that affect your life? 1, you're subject to arrest. 2, a warrant block will be placed on your driver's license. You will not either be able to renew your driver's license nor obtain a vehicle registration. 4, an outstanding warrant can also be a problem when applying for a job and or applying for government benefits. If you're one of the individuals listed in our program today, you're encouraged to turn yourself in or seek legal counsel to address this situation. More information and a listing of outstanding warrants can be found at the City Attorney's website at www.columbuscityattorney.org. This program and the lists are updated on a monthly basis. If you have information on any of the individuals listed in our program today, feel free to contact me, Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or you can email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards offered in this program. Fernando Plazo Collazo. Mr. Collazo has failed to report to court. He's charged with 1 count of voyeurism. He actually had a court date in which he was set to plead guilty to the charge. He failed to report. Mr. Collazo is accused of taking photographs underneath women's skirts and dresses at a local Walmart in Columbus. Lawrence Bishop. Mr. Bishop is actually charged and convicted of animal cruelty. He's accused and convicted of attacking a dog with a knife. Mr. Bishop currently owes 90 days in jail and has failed to report to court. This is why Mr. Bishop is listed in our program today. Ralph Dollison. Mr. Dollison is charged with 1 count of theft. He's accused of stealing from a hospital gift shop in which he was a patient. Mr. Dollison is aware of this warrant and even contacted this office. Despite that contact and promises to appear in court, he has failed to do so and currently still has an outstanding warrant for his arrest. Paul Andrew Thomas. Mr. Thomas has multiple charges and has failed to report to court on multiple occasions. Among the charges that Mr. Thomas has is a child endangering case where he is accused of assaulting his 2-year-old nephew. He also has an outstanding domestic violence charge where he's accused of assaulting his elderly grandmother. James Hagwood, Jr. Mr. Hagwood is a frequent visitor at the Franklin County Municipal Court. He currently has 2 outstanding warrants for his arrest. One of those warrants is for criminal damaging. Mr. Hagwood is accused of breaking into cars in the campus area. Brian Legg Sr. Brian Legg Sr. currently has 2 outstanding warrants for his arrest, with 5 separate charges, including OVI. Mr. Legg has had multiple prior OVIs, and in this case was actually involved in an auto accident. Luckily, there were no other cars involved in that accident. Jeffrey Gaddison. Mr. Gaddison is wanted for 5 counts, including driving under suspension and OVI. He was involved in an auto accident in the OVI for which he was charged. The other party, the innocent victim in the case, was a pregnant woman who had 2 children in her vehicle. If you're one of the individuals listed in our program today, you're encouraged to turn yourself in or seek legal counsel to address this situation. The Columbus Bar Association Lawyer Referral Service can be reached at 614-221-8874. 614-726-0754, and the Franklin County Public Defender's Office can be reached at 614-525-3194. If you have information on any of the individuals in our program today, you're encouraged to contact me, Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or you can email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards for this program.